the air expands 5 liters to 10 liters. Here initial volume is given, that is 5 liter, and next it is expands to what is that, 10 liters. Atmospheric pressure is equal to 2 atmosphere. Find the work done, external work done. So dW is equal to what is that, P into dV. P into V2 minus of what is that, V1. P here atmosphere. One atmosphere is 10 to the power of 5 joule. What is it? Here Newton per meter square. Otherwise Pascal. You can directly write. Okay, Newton per meter square or 1 Pascal. Here 5 liters. 5 into 1 liter is 1000 cc into 10 power of minus 6 meter cube. So that is 5 into 10 power of minus 3 meter cube. Here also 10 into 10 power of minus 3 meter cube. Here 1 liter is nothing but 1000 cc. 1000 into 1 cc nothing but 10 power of minus 6 meter cube. That is 10 power of minus 3 meter cube. This is value. So E is 2 into 10 power of 5. Here 10 power of minus 3 minus 5 into 10 power of minus 3. Here 2 into 5, 10 power of 5. 10 power of 5 into 10 power of minus 3. 5 to 10 into 10 power of 5 into 10 power of minus 3. What is that? 10 power of plus 3 joules. That is 1000 joules. Next. The rise of heat is required to increase the temperature of 1 mole of monatomic gas. Okay. So EQ is equal to what is that? H calories of heat is required. Then to increase in temperature, that is dT is equal to what is that? 30 minus of what is that? 20, that is equal to 10 degrees temperature. At constant volume, the quantity of heat required to raise what is that? This is 1 mole of monatomic gas. N is equal to 1 mole and monatomic gas. Monoatomic gas. Monoatomic gas, here gamma is nothing but what is it? Monatomic gas degree of freedom is 3, 5 by 3. 1 plus 2 by F. Gamma formula 1 plus 2 by F. F value is equal to 3. Then monatomic gas. Next one. Here question is what is it? Same. Similar way, diatomic gas. Diatomic gas, gamma value is 1 plus 2 by F. Degree of freedom, that is what is that? 5. 2 by F here. Degree of freedom, it is 5. 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. Actually, the amount of heat, number of moles is given, it is 2. Amount of heat required or quantity of heat required we can measure, that is question mark. Next, temperature is given, that is 25 minus of 20 degrees and that is 5 degrees. Next one, gamma value for diatomic gas, that is 7 by 5. Okay. Question is, the heat required is what is that? To heat the monoatomic gas, that is H at temperature 10. So the 2 moles of diatomic gas, if you want to heat, okay, up to 5 degree, what amount of heat will be required here. That is at constant volume, then formula is equal to Cv is equal to what is that, R by gamma minus 1. This is at constant volume. Next, Cv, that is equal to what is that, 1 by n dq divided by what is that, dt. dq divided by dt. Then R you can write as this dq value. Here dq value it is 1 by 1 into dq value it is h divided by dt value. What is that here? dt value 10 and R by gamma minus 1, that is what is that, 5 by 3 minus of 1. Therefore what is that, 3R by 2, that is equal to h by 10. 2 1 ya 2 5 ya, where RH is equal to what is that, 5 to 10. Otherwise R is equal to 2. What is that? Otherwise 3R, that is equal to 2 h by 5. You can write as this 3R. Then R by gamma minus 1, 7 by 5 minus of 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 moles into h. Heat required we can measure, dq dash divided by dt is 5. So therefore R into 5R divided by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into dq dash divided by 5. So to get cancelled. Then 5R, this is 5R, it is equal to dq dash divided by 5. Then R place we can take what is it, h by 15. 5 3 is 15, that value we can substitute into them. Then 5 into h by what is that, 15, that is equal to dq dash divided by 5. Then 5 1 ja 5 3 is 15. Then dq dash it is equal to 5h divided by 3. Next, fourth one, a ideal gas is what is it, taken through process. This is pressure axis and volume axis, y and x. Here values are mentioned, that is PV, next P comma 3V comma 3P comma 3V. A gas is taken through this, what is that, through this thermodynamical process. Calculate the work done in this cyclical process. Question: work done is equal to area under the graph, that is area under graph, that is half into base into height, half into base of the triangle, that is 3V minus of V into height is what is it, 3P minus of what is it, P. Therefore 1 by 2 into 2V into 2P, then get cancel, 2 into P into V. Next, full reach liters, 10, 30, then 30 pressure kilopascal. Next, here heat energy absorbed by the system. What is the heat energy absorbed by the system? Here find the heat energy absorbed by the system in this cyclical process. So this is cyclical process. The change in internal energy value 0. Therefore dq is equal to dw. dw is nothing but what is that, area under graph. Okay, so area under graph, that is equal to pi into r square, pi into V2 minus of V1 by 2 into V2 minus of V1 divided by 2. Then pi into P2 minus of P1, that is here kilopascals. 1 kilopascal, it is equal to 10 power of 3 into 10 power of 3 pascals. Here liters, 1 liter, that is equal to 1000 cc, that is 10 power of minus 3 meter cube. Then P2 minus of P1, 30 minus of 10 divided by 2 into 30 minus of, what is it, 10 divided by 2 into, here pressure means 10 power of 3 pascals, liters 10 power of minus 3, it cancel. Then pi into, what is it, 20 divided by 2 into 20 divided by 2, 2 hence 2 hence, that is 105 joules. Next, a Carnot engine is working between temperatures, that is lowest temperature, that is, what is that, 300 Kelvin, high temperature T1 is equal to 600 Kelvin. Next, work done, W is equal to output, work output is mentioned, W is equal to 800 joule, and amount of heat substituted in this process. And neta is equal to W by Q, that is equal to 1 minus T2 divided by T1. This is formula for heat engine. Then W value 800 divided by Q, we can calculate 1 minus T2 300 divided by 600. Then here 3 1 ja 3, 2 ja, therefore 1 by 2. Then Q is equal to 800 into 2. Q is equal to 1600 joules. Okay.